So your laser is actually leaking smoke into your room. Well, let's fix that, as this stuff is nasty. Okay, don't do this. Airflow is the name of the game here. What you need is a draft, not extraction. If you put a bigger extractor fan on your machine, but tape up at the seams, the extraction will be very weak, as you are in effect now creating a vacuum. What you need for proper airflow is the same amount of air entering your machine as is being displaced by the fan at the back. So you get airflow through your machine and the smoke will jump onto this draft like a passenger and exit out the back, exactly like your fireplace works. So to demonstrate, I started cutting some wood, leaving my extractor off. As you can see, it's smoking like mad, so I opened the front drawer as well to show this principle, and now you'll see when I turn the extractor on. There we go. I think we can agree that no amount of taping of seams will give you this type of result. So because my office is so small, I needed something compact and powerful. So my setup is very simple. It's just a box with a 200mm hole in the back, two 75mm holes connecting to that junction piece at the top, and then the two exhausts going into both my machines. And then the back of the 200mm motor is just routed through a flexible pipe through my wall. So this is why I actually removed the fans from both my machines, because once it gets like this, it's another restriction. As a final failsafe, I've actually got a smoke detector on the wall, and then I actually put another extractor fan in the roof. This I will use if I ever need to purge the room. So that's it. Actually a very simple solution to a very dangerous problem. I hope that some of you found some value in this content. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do more of these types of videos. Stay well, till next time guys.